Welcome to this tutorial, where I will guide you through the process of setting your attribution name in the licensing section of the VSCO app. If you want to make sure your photos or content are properly credited when shared, this setting is important. I will walk you through the steps clearly. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the two horizontal lines at the top left. Tap on it. Next, from the menu that appears, find the Settings option. Tap on Settings to open the app's Settings menu. Then, within the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Licensing section. This is where you can manage how your work is attributed to you. When you find the Licensing option, look for the field labeled Attribution Name. Here, enter the name you want to be shown as the credit or author of your work. Make sure the name is exactly how you want it to appear when others view your photos or content. After entering the name, exit the settings, and your changes will be saved automatically. By following these steps, you can easily manage your licensing preferences and protect your creative identity. Thank you for watching.